One of the first things I found frustrating in Godot was that when you put a text box in, it had a background, and I didn't know how to change that. So the way you can do that is click on the text edit box and then go to the inspector. When you go down, go to theme overrides and then down to styles. And the normal style, you want to add one and add a new style box empty. And that'll go ahead and just when it's chilling in the scene, normally it will just have a blank style. And then you can go ahead and enter your text as desired. If you'd like to change that color, you can come down to this stuff and you can select. It's still in theme overrides. You can do your font color and such.